What is up, everybody? Back with another video. Today I will be unboxing 7 dinosaurs, and I have a guest here. Okay. Say hi. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the first dinosaurs I will be unboxing are the herbivores. So let's start with the Gallimimus. So here's the back. So jeez. Okay, so there's a button on the back apparently where the head goes down, so that's it. That's basically it, really. So I'm just gonna start unboxing this. And now, boom, boom, nope, no. This is supposed to be an unboxing video, not a freaking there. Okay, that was much easier than I thought. Alright, so here's the Gallimimus.
Hey, it's your boy Mr. Editor here, aka Extant, and I want to try to get this video to 20 likes, so if y'all could help me, that'd be the best. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. Is that what they say nowadays? I'm a streamer, so I wouldn't know, but I want y'all to do that right now. And right now, I'm just going to press this little button right here and start the video back up.
And then here's the button on the back. Just vibing. And then the claws. You could probably kill someone if it wanted to.
What?
Because of these claws. I mean, who knows?
I do!
I don't know. Okay. Alright. This is the Gallimimus. And then let's just keep this guy here. Next one is, I believe it's called the Zuniceratops, I think. Yeah, probably. And then here's the back. Doesn't really say much. It just says 4 other dinosaurs. There's only one of these that I actually forgot to grab. So, yeah, the next time I'm doing an unboxing video, this guy right here, the Draco Rex, will be here. Alright. So now we shall unbox this guy.
Do 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 do.
Alright. Here it is. The texture. Oh, wait, the head moves. Yes, sir. And now it has a 360 head. Alright, so here's the Zuniceratops. You can move its legs a bit. And then let's do a little height comparison with the Gallimimus. Let's see which one is taller. Alright, let's see. The Zuniceratops is still taller. Dawson?
And we have a winner!
Don't. Alright, I'm moving these guys over here. And now, we have the Sauropelta. Then here's the back. When you use the tail, the upper body of the Sauropelta starts moving as well.
What?
Alright. And then the other 3 dinosaurs looks like a Gallimimus, a carnivore, of which I don't know how to pronounce. And then there's another carnivore that I don't recognize, but I'm guessing it's Velociraptor.
Man, how do you not know what a velo is?
No. Okay. Just. Oh, that was much easier than I thought. Alright. Gonna make sure you can touch the ground, my friend. Alright. So, tail wagging motion.
Do the copyright. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Do 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 do. Wiggle, wiggle. Do 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 do. Wiggle, wiggle. Do 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 do. Oh, you're done.
Okay. Now the Sauropelta. The texture is amazing. I need to make sure this guy can stand. This guy can now stand. We are now Now here are the three. The Gallimimus. We know the Gallimimus is taller actually than the Triceratops. But what I was saying was, we are now moving on to the carnivores. The next carnivore is Hararosaurus. Right here, here's the back. Again, not much, but we are now going to open the box. Hararosaurus. Here's the Hararosaurus. Look at this guy's mouth. Guys. Like, jeez.
Oh, that must have hurted it.
Wow.
Wow.
This guy's mouth is huge. And then the tail curves like a lot of other carnivores. And then still move the arms. Yeah, but you can move the legs. Alright, now Gallimimus is still tallest. Now moving on to the second carnivore, Dimorphodon. Here's the back, still the same as the rest. Draco Rex, I still need to get him.
Wow.
It's gonna be my next unboxing video. Dimorphodon. And here are his wings. You can move the tail a little bit. And then here, you can still move the legs a little bit. Tail. Look at the tail. Here's the wing. And then here's the thing you can use to scan it. So, roar. And now we're moving on to our top two carnivores. And then now, this one, I have literally no idea how to pronounce this. But here's this now. There's a button where similar movement to the Gallimimus. And now, to the unboxing. Come on. Don't make this harder than it has to be. Here is the carnivore, which seems to be another kind of raptor, probably part of the raptor family.
Wow.
And then similar movement to the Gallimimus, just vibing. And then this texture, this part right here, is kind of similar to the Monolophosaurus, but without the crest. Actually, no, I'm wrong. No, what is it similar to? It's similar to the Carnotaurus with these little small things running on the back. So here, and now we are moving on to our final dinosaur. And one of my, it's last but not least, the Baryonyx from Camp Cretaceous, specifically Limbo. And here's the back. It has 3 stages of roaring. This one, or the first one, and then the second, and then this one. You need to move it a specific amount of times, and then it starts roaring. Now this one is most definitely my most favorite, since it's the only one that makes sound. And also, like big carnivores like this, are not only my most favorite.
Where's his head?
But, are by far the coolest. Like Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay, Tail, I'm gonna need you to work with me here.
Nope.
Tail, where's the tail? Okay. Need to move some stuff here. Here we are. We shall now connect the tail.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
Tail connect. Tail. There. The tail is now connected. Alright, so this is by far one of my most favorite dinosaurs of the 7 I have just collected. And then this button right here is the 3 stages of roaring. Here's the first. Let's see if you can hear it. Okay, that's not a baryonic roar. It literally sounds like a T-Rex. There's the first stage, and then here's the final stage.
Wow.
Now, the second one sounds like a T-Rex to me.
Oh, bugger. Yes,
But yeah, this is by far my most favorite one.
Bussin'.
Because it's a carnivore, a large carnivore, or medium-sized carnivore. The texture is amazing.
Wow.
But, like I said, I'm not done collecting. But these are 7 new dinosaurs added to my collection. Alright, so here is a 360 view of it. Here's the bottom, top. This is by far the tallest. It's the tallest of these dinosaurs. The smallest is definitely this guy. The Dimorphodon is actually really small. Like, this guy can fly, but if it were stuck on the ground with nowhere to go, the baryonyx would easily just win. Look, broom, bro. All I gotta do is just take a bite out of the side of its chest, boom. But I'm guessing this guy would win against the baryonyx. The sauropelter would literally all I'll have to do is, and then the baryonyx is stabbed. Against Herrerasaurus. My God. This guy's winning. This guy's winning. Bro, is this guy. No idea how to pronounce this guy. But in a fight, since I don't know much about this dinosaur, I don't know if he'd win or not. But I know for a fact this guy has to be fast. Velociraptor. It's not winning a fight. It's not winning a fight. And this is against the Compsognathus. But now, most people probably don't know that the Velociraptor is literally the size of a dog.
Wow.
So that's why I'm saying you wouldn't win in a fight. But anyway, here's the baryonyx. Yep. So that's all these dinosaurs. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you didn't, make sure to like this video. And also, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. So I'll see you guys in the next video.